Hello viewers, dunia do hole 2020 or 2021 nisna time de khorai jawon nisna lagiba ase kile kule especially Asia de Hong Kong nisna Singapore de PC COVID-19 cases to hole uthi ja honi bai ase etu nisnai India de bi kunba cases to hole paigna thaka honi bai ase according to the Health Authority of India across the state kiman COVID-19 cases to uthi ase etu obore than monitoring do kuri ase gona honi ba ase. So far, 16 June to hospitalized kurigana ase 16 June majude tuita patient to muri chekugana edu Mumbai laga khobor pai ase. Olebi doctors khan ba koi satte taijun mura do hele virus pran hogana tusra bima bra muri chekugana tahan koi ase. Aro etia Gujarat te 15 cases taka huni ba ase. Odisha de nodin case pa huni ba ase. Haryana de 3 case taka huni ba ase. Aro Kerala de 182 COVID-19 cases thaka honi ba ase. Aro health concerned authorities khan ba koi hisab te this time laga COVID-19 virus to hole puila laga saman severe nohoy. Nutun variant ekta ase eman to severe nai ko gana dahan ba koi ase. Edu bra monso pray guna thakibo puila nisna dunia do nohoy jabo nemide. Aro monso prabi nichu jaga de aware thakole edibi first day amnan ke chanai di ase. Pakistan de nutun khopor hisabte parni laga ward chai ase kugana honi ba ase etu laga parni laga ward hole Pakistan laga Punjab province aur Pakistan laga Sindh province majodo hoi ase kugana honi ba ase huna hisabte Indus nudi laga pani du hole puila Punjab aur Sindh majode equally distribute kurigena khai thagise holebi this time Punjab laga ruling government bra pura etu nudi laga pani du hole Punjab phale divert kurule kosis kura homoide dango protest to chaigana thaga honi ba ase tu student de etu laga protest te Sindh nationalist group laga action activist Zahid Lakhri kuigana thaga taige police khan bra firing gurigana morai dia thakise etu laga against the India Sindh province aur Punjab province majore dango class to olaigena thaga honi ba ase Sindh province laga manu khan bra national highways khan block kurigena protest jai ase etu laga opore chuaga libi police laga firing de action manu do mot hoise kugena khobo pa ase so viewers Pakistan de itia sob jaga bra attack hoigena thaga honi ba ase recently India lor conflicts olaise etu bijide Balochistan bra tahan ke attack kurigena thaga honi ba ase aro itia Pakistan laga Punjab province aur Sindh province majode bi pani laga protest to tango protest to chai gana thaga aur even etu laga protest de tujun manu do mot hogena thaga amnan ke janai di ase viewers monsopra honigana thagar hole Pakistan aur India majode ceasefire anule para do hole US laga intervention nimide hua ase gugana Donald Trump bra claim gura do monsopra honigana thagise etu laga opore recently Netherlands based NOS lode interview thagaram de external affairs minister SJ Shankar koise ki India aur Pakistan majore ceasefire anadu hole Donald Trump lagan hoy to the countries majore understanding kurigana anna asaguna SJ Shankar koise so amna laga hisab dibi viewers kinaga ase India aur Pakistan laga ceasefire do to the countries laga understanding na hoile Donald Trump bra ana ase comment section de kobole edu janai di ase idia gwanisna India khan ba claim guri ase India aur Pakistan majode ceasefire daga hole Donald Trump bra anan hoi kugana India khan ba claim kurabi viewers han annan ke janai di ase recently India aur Pakistan majode conflicts thaka homoide Turkey khan bra Pakistan khan ke even drone khan be supply kurigna support kura thagise etu laga opore Indian laga public khan bra outrage kurigna ki laga saman Turkey pra import kurigna ase idiaro import nogurbo aro even Turkey de tourist khan do najab gugana ban hua thagise etu laga opore idia India re bi tango crisis to face kurula ase judi Turkey lore tie to break up hole hunai sabte judi Turkey lore tie to break up hoishuglo do kunuba saman khan India re price to uthi jabo nisna lagi ba ase for example marble do hole 70% do hole Turkey bra import kure to marble laga dam bi uthi jabo nisna lagi ba ase apple laga dam bi uthi jabo nisna lagi ba ase hunai sabte every year 1.29 lakhs ton of apple do hole India bra Turkey bra import kure to judi India aur Pakistan majore dai do break up hoishuglo do apple laga dam bi uthi jabo nisna lagi ba ase carpet laga nohole decorative items furniture khan laga dam bi uthi jabo nisna lagi ba ase other items like dry fruit spices herbal tea dails facial appearance, olive oil, chocolate, iduan pisi bakto hole Turkey pra import kura ase. To judi India aro Turkey majore tai do break up hoise hole do etia moi pra mention kura Salman Khan laga tam du uthi jabo nisna lagi pai ase. 19 September April 2024 to February 2025 majore rupees 44,500 crore laga Salman Khan do export kurise aro 2023 to 24 majore 56,873 crore laga Salman Khan do India bra Turkey ke export kura thakise. To chuti itia konisna India aro Turkey majore dai do break up hoise kole do khali Turkey de nohikena nohole khali India ka nohikena tuida country ke bi effect honisna thaka viewers han amnange janai di ase. Hole bi huna hisabte India aro Turkey majore relationship to rebuild kuru nisna lagi ba ase. India laga external affairs ministry spokesperson R Jaiswal barkwa hisabte India khan bra Turkey ke urge kura du hole Pakistan khan ke terrorism ge support nokri bi itiru hole Turkey khan bra ekpar koi di bi kugana koigana ase. To juti Turkey khan bra itu ke mane shoglo India aro Turkey majore relationship to hole rebuild kuru nisna lagi ba ase. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Jaiswal barkwa du hole relations are built on the basis of sensitivities of each other's concern kogna dai koise. To viewers amnan bi koisa bi India aro Turkey relationship to hole rebuild kurila phal no hobo. Pakistan laga Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif pra India aro Pakistan majore talk to thakila phal ase kogna approach kuri ase ta laga hisabte India aro Pakistan majore talk to hole on Kashmir, water, trade and terrorism opore thakile phal ase. Aro tai laga view hisabte itu talk to hole ekta neutral country te thakile phal ase koina dai koi ase. Aro tai laga hisabte itu neutral country to hole Saudi Arabia hoile phal koina dai bro koise. Hole bi itu laga opore India khan bro kwa du hole Pakistan lore talk thaki shikulo do khali terrorism nimide nohole POK nimide thakibo koina India laga stand bi amnan ke janai di ase. Recently, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio brabi India or Pakistan majore talk to thakila phala sukwa ke etia India khan bra reject kurigena ase. So viewers India laga stand ki ase kulo Dero and trade cannot go hand in hand. Dero and talk cannot go hand in hand. Blood and water cannot flow together. Sirif Pakistan lore kotha koise kulo terrorism opodo kotha kobo nohole POK to India ke wapas ti ulo kotha kobo kogena India laga stand ki ase amnahan ke janai di ase. India viewers last day India laga neighboring country Bangladesh te bi ekdam tango political crisis chai thaka huni pai ase. India present thaka army chief general Waqar az-Zaman aro Bangladesh laga interim government leader Muhammad Yunus tajun majore chamla olaigena thaka huni pai ase. 2024 de Bangladesh se thaka students khan ba lead kurigena ekta uprising thagise. Etu laga uprising bra Sheikh Hasina government hole overthrown kura thagise. Enaka thaka homoide itia present thaka interim government leader Muhammad Yunus aro army chief general Waqar az-Zaman taijun bit hole miligena Sheikh Hasina government do overthrown kora thakise holebi this time taijun majode chamla do ola hone ba ase huna hisabte Bangladesh to hole one of the democratic country ekta ase itu nimide army chief general Waqar bra election do chuldi lobole kwa hone ba ase. Itu laga opore Yunus prado hole election lobole morning hoigena eku daradari nokurigena thaka homoide Waqar az-Zaman bra Yunus ke mon pia pa koise. Aro huna hisabte itia present thaka interim government bra nearly 300 convicted Islamist leaders khandu hole release kuri dia honi ba ase. Itu laga opore army chief general mon pia paigena ase. Kile kule 2009 February moina de Islamist leaders khan ba lead kurigena 57 army officers khan do hole morai dia thakise aro dusra 16 chundu hole February 2019 de morai dia thakise. To edu laga crime te convict hoigena jail de thala khan do hole idia Yunus government bra edu khan release kuri dia nimide army chief general Waqar az-Zaman do khushi na pa honi ba ase. Aro huna hisabte Yunus to hole Islamist group Hizb Tahrir lore pisi link ase koigena honi ba ase. Aro ekta tension to hole Lieutenant General Kamrul Hassan kundu Yunus laga military advisor ase tai bra US khanga lok paigena tai do hole army chief ponai di koigena kwa opore bi idia thaga army chief general Waqar az-Zaman bra kwa do hole idur hole army protocols violate kura ase koigena tai koise. May 11 din de Zaman bra Kamrul Hassan do hole dismiss kurula order olaise hole bi Yunus bra edu order do block kuri dia honi ba ase. to huna hisabte etu laga issue opore etia present thaka Bangladesh interim government leader Muhammad Yunus pra Hussein du hole worker ke replace kuru nisna lagi pa ase holebi etia worker ke Bangladesh laga navy nole air force nole intelligence head khan bra tai ke support kuri gana thaka huni ba ase to chuti etu tuida majode etia present thaka interim government aro military majode conflicts olai shuglo do tango crisis to hule Bangladesh te bi hobo nisna thaka huni pai ase enega Bangladesh te takhan majode crisis olai gana thaka homoy de India prabi Bangladesh khan ki attack kuri ase Chuagali Thursday din de External Affairs Ministry spokesperson R Jaswal Bakwa hisabte illegally kiman Bangladesh khan India re khushi kana ase tahan hole Bangladesh te deport kuri dibo Bangladesh ke wapas kuri dibo kogena kotha ko huni ba ase edu laga opore Bangladesh government ge bi nationality verification process to chuli kurule External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Bakwa janai di ase External Affairs Ministry spokesperson R Jaswal Bakwa hisabte we have a large number of Bangladeshi national in India who are required to be deported kogena koi ase to India re kiman illegally Bangladeshis khan migrate kurigena ase aur ahigena ase tahan hole Bangladesh te wapas deported kurule India sokari bra chuakali kwa viewers han amnan ke janai di ase so viewers achilaga video emani sis kuri di ase thank you everyone for watching my video